How to create welcoming message for new user. Hi guys, my name is Yuliia Zatsarynna. In this video, you will learn how to create a greeting message for new user in Facebook and Telegram only. Go to menu Smart Messenger, Grow Tools, and here we choose Greetings and create our greetings message for new user. This working only for new user. If the user assigned early, he can't see this message. For example, Telegram. And we can write a big text. In this text, we have to tell why should a user subscribe to our chatbots on Telegram or Facebook. And I add some text. Okay, subscribe to our chatbot. You will gain access to a wide range of useful information and services. Our chatbot is ready to answer your questions and other for this. And continue. Okay, if the user go this my chatbot for the first time, he will be receive this message. So friends, in this short video we looked at how to set up a greeting message for Telegram. Like and subscribe to our video so not miss new lesson. See you soon guys.